What's going on, everyone? Vince here with Life with Vince Luu, and today I wanted to go over how I'm personally using social media to grow my real estate business. And the approach that I take is to focus on growing my personal brand and then using my personal brand as a tool or a vehicle to further my real estate business. And I really do feel that social media is one of the best ways to not only build your personal brand, but if you can use it correctly, it can bring you a lot of business because number one, it is completely free. All you have to do is sign up, post often, do it for a long enough period of time, and you will see the results. And number two, the reach is insane. Think about how many people in the world are on their phone all the time. We've moved into an age of where we use our phone for pretty much everything. That means eyeballs are on the screen all the time, and if you can utilize that correctly, it can bring you a lot of business. And the platforms that I'm mainly focused on are YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. With YouTube, I come out with daily content in the form of a regular YouTube video, a YouTube short, or a live stream. With Instagram, my goal is to post at least 3 times a day on my timeline. For the most part, I've stuck in with this for the past 2 or 3 weeks or so. I think I missed one day in which I post just once that day, but all the other days I post at least 3 times. And also with Instagram, I try to post 5 to 10 times a day on my Instagram story. And my Instagram is also linked to my Facebook. So each time that I post on my Instagram story, it also goes to my Facebook story. And then with Facebook, I also add 1 additional post per week on my timeline. And my approach when I post on all of these platforms is not to go too heavy on one subject or the other because I am interested in a lot of different things. I am a blue belt in jiu-jitsu. I like to travel. I like to run. I like anime. I'm into Pokemon cards. So I want to sprinkle in a little bit of everything because for me, the thought process is if you get to know me as a person, especially all my interests and especially my work ethic, then you're more likely to work with me as a real estate agent. And the vibe that I'm going for and the goal of all my social media posts is to show you all the type of person I am. Not only all of my interests, but to show you all the hard worker and grinder that I am. And that is why I am so adamant on daily YouTube videos. That's why I am adamant on posting 5 to 10 times a day on my Instagram and Facebook stories. That's why I am adamant to show you all my life and what is going on. And honestly, it's worked out pretty well. I post frequently about all my interests, but I also sprinkle in real estate. And I think real estate wise, in terms of posts, I think it's about 30 to 40% because again, I don't want to overload my audience and just be all of real estate, but I want for me to be top of mind when someone thinks real estate or they have a question. And it's worked out pretty well. I've noticed in the past month or so, I've had people reach out to me and have real estate questions. They say, hey, I'm looking to buy, I'm looking to sell. I know someone that's looking to sell that's a relative of mine. What would you suggest be the first step? I've had those conversations with them. I've already started working with a few of them as buyers, and I'm just really excited because I've only been a real estate agent for about 3 months or so, but I am now realizing how powerful social media really is. And also, if you're a newer agent and you're having a hard time finding people to talk to, check your Facebook friends list. Personally, for me, I have about 1,600 friends on my Facebook, and then also check your followers on Instagram. Each one of those people is someone that you can talk to. And I made a post on my Facebook the other week because up until that point, I had been reaching out to people to talk to them. And then I made an official post that garnered very good feedback. I basically said, I have had a good time reaching out, talking to people. At first, I thought it was a little weird, or it might be weird if I reach out to them because they may think that the only reason that I'm talking to them is because I want their business or I want to tell them that I'm a real estate agent. But I realized after that I did that for about a month or so that I'm coming from a good place because I never start the conversation of, hey, blah, blah, blah. How's it going? I'm a real estate agent. Do you know anyone that's looking to buy or sell? I never start with that. I always start with, hey, how's it going? How's everything been? Because for me, I'm genuinely interested in catching up with them. And usually real estate will come up because I'll ask them, hey, what have you been up to? What are you doing for work? And then they'll ask the same thing. So I'm saying, hey, I work as a real estate agent now. But I don't go too heavy on the real estate. Yes, if they have questions, I'm going to help them. Yes, if they're looking to buy or sell, I am going to help them, or at least refer them to someone in their area. I'm going to give them all of my knowledge, and I'm not going to spare anything. And on that same post, I gave a fair warning to everyone on my friends list that if you are on my friends list, I am going to be reaching out to you in the near future, because I honestly feel that if I am truly coming from a good place, then there's nothing to be afraid of. So I've literally been messaging everyone on my friends list, left and right. I send 10 to 20 messages out every single day in the morning, and as the responses come in, it's always good to catch up with people that I haven't spoken to in a while. And also, here's the thing, if someone is really truly giving you the stink eye and thinking that, why is this guy reaching out to me? I probably don't want to surround myself with you anyways, because again, I'm coming from a truly good place. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing on this YouTube channel. I'll talk about a bunch of different things. Jiu-jitsu, powerlifting, ultra running, my career as a California real estate agent. I do Q&A videos. I do live streams. I do review videos. I do videos on Pokemon card trading, investing, and flipping. So there's a little bit of something for everyone. With that being said, if you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, and there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.